Hey guys, this is the Plymouth Valiant 1961, and you may have problem finding the exact fit radiator for this year, and so I bought a radiator, aluminum, from Champions Radiator.com, and but it actually made for Dodge Dart 1963 to 66. The dimension is okay. From here to here is about 19, and the height is about 22. So it's gonna fit into the groove here, but you have to modify a little bit. The tab originally located in the back, and it comes out. It will fit here to here, but because if you try to bolt the radiator to the frame, then this part, the radiator will come too far forward, and it would be impossible to fit with the fan. So what I did, so I cut it off and used that piece to make this Z bracket. And so when you cut that, then the whole thing will fit in the groove here, and it gives you room. One other thing is that the original one, the copper one, was thinner. It was, I think it's about 1.5 inch. This one is 2.5. So instead of having about 1.5 inch clearance, now you have maybe 3/4 of an inch clearance from the fan to the radiator, but it will work. So anyway, I cut it off and create 4 pieces like this, and bolt them and hold them back. Another thing you have to pay attention is that make sure the radiator rests on something like a piece of rubber, so that it won't rub against the bolt here. So just make sure it has, on the bottom, make sure it does not have anything pointy that can cause damage to the radiator. And so far it works very well.